Welcome to Genius tutorial. Today we are going to learn calculation of median Q3 and Q1, that is quartiles. So median, I have taken the continuous series example, and this is the class intervals and this is the frequency. After totaling the frequency, we got 182 as a n value, number of observation. Now the next step, after adding all this frequency 182 we got it, the next step is to calculate the cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency is nothing but adding upon. So the first number will be always, it will be 11. Okay, so second one, 11 plus 18. 11 plus 18 is 29. Next, 29 plus 25. 29 plus 25 is 54. 54 plus 28 is 82. 82 plus 30 is 112. 112 plus 33 is 145. 145 plus 22, 167. 167 plus 15, 182. So cumulative frequency is nothing but adding upon the frequencies. So we got the cumulative frequency values here, and always remember the last value of cumulative frequency and end value has to be same. This is the point you need to remember here. The next step is median. Median, m is equal to n by 2th term as per the continuous series formula. So n value is 182 divided by 2th term. M is equal to 91th term. So here 91th term, you need to check the cumulative frequency where the 91, in which number the 91 is. In 112 the 91 number is. Before that 82 is a less than 91, that's the reason we should not consider it. 112, in 112 the 91 is lying. So here the frequency becomes 30, L1 becomes 40. The median lies between 40 to 50, and the above one becomes CF for the median. Once again I'll repeat, 91 is a value in which number it is lying. So in 112 the 90 number is lying. So immediately the frequency becomes F, and the lower class interval becomes L1, and before that, before this number, cumulative frequency becomes CF. So now write the formula of median. L is equal to L1, M is equal to L1 plus N by 2 minus CF divided by F into I. This is a formula for median. So median lies between, as per the th term, median lies between 40 to 50. 40 to 50. So as per these values, F L1 is equal to 40, F is equal to 30, CF is equal to 82, and I is nothing but a difference between the class interval, that is 10. 10 is the difference, so I is equal to 10. That's nothing but a common factor. So substitute the values in the formula. M is equal to 40 plus n by 2 is 91. 91 minus 82 divided by frequency is 30 into 10. So M is equal to 40 plus 91 minus 82, 9 divided by 30 into 10. 0 0 cancels, 3 1s are 3 3s are. Median is equal to 40 plus 3 is 43. This is the answer. So we got the answer median 43. Now the next one is Q3, Q1. Quartiles we need to find out. So first we'll go to the second bit is Q1, quartile 1. So quartile vine formula is n by 4 th term as per the continuous series formula, n by 4. So Q1 is equal to 182 divided by 4 th term. 182 divided by 4 is Q1 is equal to 45.5 th term. So 45.5, where it is lying in this cumulative frequency, we need to check it out. So it is lying in 54. Before number is 29, which is less than 45.5. So we need to consider the 54 as a cumulative frequency of that particular Q1. So here 25 becomes F, 20 becomes L1, the above one becomes CF. Once again I'll repeat, 45.5 is lying in the 54. That's the reason I have taken the 25 as a frequency and L1 as a 20 and the above one as a CF 29. So Q1 lies between 20 to 30. So write it, Q1 lies between 20 to 30. So L1 becomes 20, F becomes 25, CF becomes 29 and I is equal to 10. 10 is nothing but a common factor, that is as usual we need to take. So Q1 formula is Q1 is equal to L1 plus n by 4 minus CF divided by F into I. So this is the formula for the Q1. Q1, substitute the values in the formula. L1 is equal to 20 plus n by 4 is already we have done 45.5 minus CF is 29 and F is equal to 25 into 10. So this is the values. Next Q1 is equal to 20 plus 45.5 minus 29 divided by 25 into 10. So I have solved this one. I got it 6.6. So Q1 is equal to, as per the calculation, 26.6. So Q1 value we got it. The next one is Q3. Third bit is Q3. So Q3 is equal to, the formula as per the continuous series is 3n by 4 th term. 3n by 4 th term Q3 value. So 3 into 182 divided by 4 th term, Q3 is equal to 182 into 3 divided by 4. So your value is here 136.5 th term. So 136.5 th term in cumulative frequency, where it is lying in 145. Before that number it is less than 136.5. So 112 is less than. So it is lying in 145. So 145 means F becomes, here Q3 lies between 50 to 60. Okay. So here it becomes F. When 136.5 is lying in 145, the immediate frequency is 33 and L1 is equal to 50 and the above one becomes 112 as the CF. So here write the values. L1 is equal to 50, F is equal to 33, CF is equal to 112. As usual, I is equal to 10. So there is a common factor is same in all the class intervals. So Q3 formula is Q3 is equal to L1 plus 3n by 4 minus CF divided by F into I. So this is the formula for the Q3. So now substitute the values in the formula. 50 plus 3n by 4 is 136.5 minus CF is 112 divided by frequency is 33 into 10. So this is the values. Now 50 plus 136.5 minus 112 divided by 33 into 10. If I do it, I'll be getting the 7.42 and Q3 answer is equal to 57.42 is your Q3 answer. So we got median 43. We got median 43, Q1 26.6 and Q3 57.42. So thank you for watching my video. Please share, subscribe and like my video.